Hey, hope you're doing well and welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've uploaded, so I thought no better time to start uploading again. So I finally finished exams and I'm done with second year now. I'm just waiting upon my results. But summer's here and you know what that means. It's time to turn my dreams into a reality. So in the past 6 weeks, while some people have been on holiday, by the pool, or you've been going on really beautiful road trips, I've decided to embark upon my own journey, starting my very own videography business as a freelancer. Now, before you start questioning the sanity of my choices, let me assure you, this is all part of the master plan. Well, maybe not so masterful, but it's part of the plan. Well, some of you may know that I'm knee-deep in economics at the University of Leeds. But don't get me wrong, crunching numbers and looking at theories and graphs is all fun and games. But there was always that fiery passion for me looking for something more within the creative industry. So I thought to myself, why not? Let's start a side hustle as a videography business, which is something that I'm truly passionate about. And this is how the wild adventure began. But I hear you. I know. Why videography? So I had to find a creative outlet where I could put my skills to the test. But that's where I discovered the magic of capturing moments through a lens. Now let's be honest, starting a videography business isn't all rainbows and sunshine. There have been a lot of moments where I questioned my life choices and pondered if I was losing my mind or not. Imagine this, right? Picturing me sitting at a desk at 2 a.m. with enough coffee through my veins and blood, trying to figure out if this is the perfect shot or not. It is a struggle, my friends, but we like to embrace the chaos. So what can you expect from a new videography venture? Well, I'm here to document all the weird and wonderful ventures that this has to offer, from epic gym shoots to product showcasing and even the occasional awkward dance off at a party. I'll be there, camera in hand, ready to capture it all. This channel isn't just about me being a videographer. It's about building a community of like-minded people around me who appreciate the beauty of storytelling. I'll be sharing tips and tricks, behind the scenes bloopers, and trust me, there will be a lot. And even collaborating with fellow creatives in this industry to make sure I give you the best content possible. So my first step in all this was to conceptualize. This is, what do you want from the venture? Firstly, it was starting my own business, which would give me freedom, flexibility, and finally, income. Coming from a low-income background, seeing the power of financial freedom is something that I'm on my way to achieve. Within this process came about ideation, which is generating possible ideas for businesses that you want to start. And in this case, my case, was a video/production company. And this is done by brainstorming ideas, researching the market, and identifying the problem that you want to solve, and then developing a unique value-based proposition which would solve these problems. And with the whole revolution of AI, I was able to analyze the market and come up with some form of proposition of a business idea. Within this, you find what the market needs or the market niche, and you also find something that you're particularly interested in, but also a personal expertise in. But the main thing is to focus on the problem that you're wanting to solve for your customers. And this is where it comes down to being of service rather than being selfish. Personally, being a creative since I was younger through doing art, musical instruments, and doing videos as well, videography was an outlet where I could express my creative juices and turn it into some form of business. The next step is to build a minimum viable product, or an MVP. And the whole point of this is to generate leads, which is called lead generation. And this is one of the golden rules of business laws, because everything is downstream from lead generation. Because if you can't generate leads for a business, then there's no way of generating sales for that same business as well. And the best way to do this is to give something to the community for free. So in my case, a free MVP would be to give away a minute-long video edit. And because it's free, people may take you up on that offer. And then now you have your indicators of interest and a validated business idea. And the next step is to shape your product to what fits the market. And this is through talking to customers, testing the idea. And so in my case, videoing customers. And this would be the only way to see if your idea would work or not. And the fourth step is to launch your product. And this would be through paid advertisements or showcasing your services and your work. Cold emailing or direct messaging with people of high following in an industry that you're interested in and asking if they need your services or not. And through asking, emailing, and messaging people, you understand if your services are needed or not, and what new stuff you can provide to the market. And this is how you would mold your product or your service. And within business, there's 3 ways in which people do this. And this is through emotion, logic, and urgency. But it's very hard to achieve all 3, especially when you're starting out. But a lot of businesses are naturally good at one. But let's take Apple, for example. They manage to achieve all 3. They create logic through their marketing materials. For example, a new phone may have an improved camera, or you can airdrop something to someone from across the world, something crazy like that. And they're also very good at creating emotion. They create that sense that you need to buy the new phone. And this is done also through the marketing materials which you consume. And then finally, they manage to create urgency. And this is through their pre-ordering system, since customers know that the new phones will probably sell out. So these 4 steps is something that I'm truly focusing on and tailoring it to this videography business so I can meet the needs of the market, but everything is downstream from lead generation. Finding a way to validate your business through free services, and then this would lead to scaling your business. Another important thing within this industry is networking, able to talk to different creators in the industry, understanding how they do things, understanding how their business works and applying similar tactics to your business. But it's also about being open and able to absorbing knowledge from others. So my friends, buckle up because we're going to go on this journey together. It's going to be full of emotion, laughter, and stunning visuals. Get ready for a whole lot of awkward moments and a sprinkle of nerdiness and a dash of pure unaltered passion for videography. Thank you so much for joining this venture, and I promise that you won't regret hitting that subscribe button. So stay tuned for some more unforgettable epic moments and epic adventures, and of course the occasional fail. So let's make this videography business the most captivating, informative, and hilarious journey ever. Until next time, keep smiling, keep dreaming, and keep pressing that record button. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.